Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may actually end up being. Today we are playing with the new Nomad Keys Beachy and Peachy palette, which looks like this. Yeah, it has a special place in my heart. I have some first impressions, we have some swatches, we have a tutorial, we have all that good stuff. So if you would like to see how I got this gorgeous look right here and to hear my thoughts and first impressions on this palette, then let's get into it. Hello, I'm so excited. First our drinky drink is this Propel. It is in orange, a raspberry. It's super delish. But today we are playing with the new Nomad palette. It is the Keys, Beachy, and Peachy palette. It looks like this. I'm gonna have swatches, all that good stuff in here. I am so excited to play with this. Also, as always, Nomad has a cause like they do for every single palette. So for this one, it is the Dolphin Research Center. It saves and protects the dolphins and other marine mammals in the Florida Keys. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. I have a good feeling of what I'm going to do with this. This color story is just absolutely gorgeous, and the outer packaging is just cute as hell. So as always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair to Win, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. So as a colorful makeup lover, this color story is just a freaking dream. I'm wanting to maybe do something like red and bluish, seeing as how the 4th of July is coming up, but I feel like that's just a little bit too on the nose. But I'm really liking these tones over on this side, so maybe I'll do something with that. But like that color right there called Sunset Celebration is whispering sweet dirty things in my ear, along with Paradise Found. So I guess we will end up seeing what I do, but I'm really liking the tones over here. And I just did a purple look, so which you'll be seeing, because I'm gonna try and get this up today, which is Sunday. Yeah, cause why not? Okay, I think I'm going to go in with my Unearthly UC87. This is from their Charmer Valentine's Day collection this year. I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Sunrise Salute. And I'm going to take that and plop that. There's cat hair all over it. Great start. And we're just going to plop that into the crease right here. You can barely see it though. I think this shade will look absolutely stunning on like shiny and people with darker skin tones. Pastels always do. But when you're pasty as hell like me, it kind of just blends in a little bit. But it's such a gorgeous shade, just a very light little banana type feel to it. I think I'm going to go in now with that Far From Normal shade. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Still with this same Unearthly brush. And just plopping it into here now. Oof. Oof. I'm just plopping it into the crease, making a mess, blending it out. All that good stuff. I'm really liking how this is blending out so far. Nomad just absolutely has an amazing freaking formula though, so I'm not surprised. Also, just an FYI, at the end of July, I've said this in a couple of my videos now, I am going on a trip, a vacation. I'm going to Hawaii. I will not be posting for 2 weeks because I'm not bringing makeup with. I'm don't think I'm going to like pre-film either. I think we're just gonna have to deal with it and go from there. Okay, I think we are gonna go in with my Refer 13. She is damaged, she's dirty, she's been living life. I think we're going to go in with this Shipwreck Trail right there shade, and just, oh, these are potent and I love it. And I'm just gonna be plopping that right below that yellow, just right in here. And just sort of blending everything together here. I think I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of that shade. I love the placement, I love the blending, but I am like I said, a colorful makeup lover. So I want these shades to pop. I want the vibrancy. I want all of it. So I'm just sort of tapping that in a little. And then I think we're going to go in with that Sunset Celebration shade right there. It's been tempting me. It's Sweet Words. Did it what it needed to do. I'm still going in with that 13, and I'm just bringing it right in here. Kind of almost, we're doing an ombre effect downwards instead of upwards. So I'm just placing it down around the lash line and blending it upwards. This is so freaking pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. What is this blending job? And I mean that in like an amazing way, like, she looks good. I'm really liking how that looks. We need some shimmer though. I am a shimmer addict, whore, whatever you want to call it, I'm that. Okay, I love it. I'm thinking we go in with a little bit of that Rum Runner shade right there. I'm taking it on my Refer 21. This is my favorite like shimmer brush. Just plopping it right here. Ooh. She gorge. She gorge. And I haven't wetted the brush. I don't think wetted is a word. Wet the brush? I haven't done that. Just I never really do wet the brush. I kind of like just use what it gives me. Make my life harder if it needs to be. I think I might go in with a little bit of that Key Largo shade right there. Again, still on this brush. And just plop it here. And a little bit upwards. This is gorgeous. Okay. I'm not done yet, okay? Okay, because I really want to plop this on my face. And I'll probably put more later. But I want to put that Conch Republic shade right there in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with my Refer 03. It's just speaking things to me. Again, like that Sunset Celebration shade. I'm just plopping that in the inner corner though. Oh, you guys. This is just stunning. Okay, I'm really liking that. Okay, I am gonna go in with my Refer 13 again, and I'm taking that Sunset Celebration and just deepening it out here a little bit. Oh, it's just so freaking stunning. I'm going in with a little bit more of that Shipwreck and just making sure I don't lose that orange in here. Okay, I am going to, you know what? F it. I'm wanting to put that southernmost point shade on here. I don't give a shit. We're doing it. I'm wanting to. Okay. We're just going to plop that in here. And just blend it out a little bit. I just feel like I needed a little something. Okay, I'm going to go do my face. I will come back for the under eye, lip details, blush details, highlight details, all that good stuff. I look so freaking good. Like, oh my god, my skin, my fucking skin. This REM Beauty foundation is freaking no joke. Like, my god, have you even seen me right now? Like, holy tits. I'm looking hot. I bang me. Okay, but we'll go through some details. Like I said, this is the foundation that I used. Bronzer is the REM Beauty Blazed Satin Matte Bronzer. It looks like this. For blush, I went in with that Squeeze and Pulp shade from the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. For highlight, I went in with this Honeymoon High one from REM Beauty. It is no longer available, but I need to start using it, and I love it, and it's gorgeous. And I mixed that with this Enlightened shade from the Blend Bunny Noctilucent palette here. I am going to go in with my Refer 14 real quick, plop a little bit of that Enlightened shade just under the brow. I like to shine. It's a good freaking brow day. I know that I'm going over to my man's house for supper, but I think I'm going to have to keep this makeup on. He's just going to have to deal with the full face. It is what it is. I'm really liking how it looks without the under eye. So I'm thinking we do something very, 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 very subtle. So I'm thinking we go in with that Sunrise Salute shade right there to start with. I'm going to take my Refer 03 here. Tap off the excess and just bring it along the under lash line right here. I think I'm going to go in with that Islam Murada. I hope that's how I'm saying it right. I don't know for sure, but anyways, that shade right there. And I'm just going to take that on the same brush here, tap it off, plop it into this space right here. And then to unsubtlify it, we are going to go in with that Conch Republic shade again, still with this brush. And just bring it down a tad bit more. Ooh, stop. Okay. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Sky High one. I always use the waterproof one. Oh, I look stunning. For lip, I kind of want to go in with this Unearthly, I think it's their, it's a gloss. Just a little slight one. It's called Psych. It is from their, last summer's mystery box. Just a little nice little something subtly. I might, put a little bit of this REM Beauty Strawberry Soda Glossy Balm on over it. Just a little mix. This shit right here is smells so good. It tastes so good. Now that is a lip freaking color. My god. Okay. I feel like this is the best I've ever looked. I said that before. I'll say it again. But my god. I will move y'all in, or maybe scoot myself a little bit closer so you can take a little look at the look here. Do not look close at the eyelashes. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop staring at myself, and I love it. This is a gorgeous freaking palette, though. This is a gorgeous eye. I really do like this palette. Again, I haven't played with everything, but I've swatched everything, and so far, I really do like it. I'm super excited to play with this side. Again, here at some point, I'll probably get that filmed and have that up on the 4th of July. So it'll really work because that's the 4th of July colors. It is super gorgeous. I absolutely love this so far. I mean, Nomad really can't do anything wrong in my book. As always, the shimmers are absolutely buttery. The mattes are just terrific. It's, like I said, Nomad can't do anything wrong. They just absolutely kill it every single freaking time. But I am just going off of my first impressions, but I absolutely freaking love this a lot. And I'm so excited to play with it more. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. And I understand that you do not like it. I understand you do not understand it. But that is something that you need to take a step back and reflect on and to do better on. It is 2024. Pull your head at a yes. Got it? Got it? Okay, good. And remember to be taking good care of you, to be getting enough water, enough food, enough nutrients, to be having those self-care days, not being such a people pleaser, just all that good stuff. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.